As an ex-pizza restaurant worker, I learned how to make exquisite tasting pizza. Now, I'm ready to show you how to make a wonderful pizza right in your own home. So let's continue by making some sauce. It's time for another hot dish from Happy Healthy Why.
With Daddy.
Pizza sauce is a very important part of making pizza. The right sauce can make or break the flavor and enjoyment. While it's very difficult to recreate a pizza restaurant's pizza, this sauce recipe will be one you can use to make an even better pizza than you will find in a pizza restaurant, especially if you customize it to your own tastes. The first step for this sauce is to get the onion and garlic ready. I'm chopping up half an onion using the Fullstar vegetable chopper. I love this chopper as it quickly chops up the onion into small pieces and prevents me from tearing up. Links to the full review of the Fullstar vegetable chopper and its Amazon page for purchasing are below. Once the onion is ready, now it's time to crush the garlic, like my dreams of playing in the NBA when my height didn't get tall enough. I am using a microplane here to crush the garlic this time, as it does a really quick job of making those garlics really small, and then I put the results in with the onion. We prefer our onion and garlic to be sautéed, so I am taking out a sauce pot and putting it over a medium-high flame. Once it is hot, I am adding a half a tablespoon of oil and letting the oil get hot. When it's hot enough, we're going to add the onion and garlic. We're going to stir it occasionally until the onion turns brown, which will take about 5 to 10 minutes. Now that the onion has been browned, we are going to add 15 ounces of tomato sauce. If you prefer to have tomatoes in your sauce, you can instead add 1 8-ounce can of tomato sauce and 1 8-ounce can of crushed tomatoes, or you can crush up 8 ounces of freshly chopped tomatoes on your own as well. As the tomato sauce is heating up, it's time to put in some spices. This is where you can easily customize the sauce to your own likings. For us, we like to put in a half a tablespoon of dried basil, a quarter teaspoon of ground oregano, and a half a tablespoon of sugar. We're going to stir all those ingredients together, the spices, to get them all mixed into the tomato sauce, and then let the sauce come to a boil. Once it's boiling, cover it and let it simmer for at least 10 minutes. Now you have a wonderful homemade pizza sauce that can rival any pizza restaurant sauce. Next week, I'm going to use my pizza restaurant knowledge to show you how to prepare the pizza and make it tastier than you can get at any pizza restaurant. Happy Healthy Wife, Chef Barry here, reminding you to... Wait a minute, you're still here? Well, if so, then you might want to consider clicking on the like button or leaving a comment down below. It really helps support the channel. And you can also subscribe and click the bell to be notified of all my new videos that come out on Mondays with shorts on Thursdays. Thanks for watching. Have a happy and healthy day.